Hey guys, I'm back. It's me, Shadow Torch. Well, William Torch, but I like more Shadow. And I'm back for some more Minecraft stuff. So I'm gonna show some. I'm gonna look at people. Hey, hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Hi, you wanna be on Minecraft? Hey, you can. I'm recording. I'm gonna go check the guy. Oh, he wants to go back. Oh, William Torch. William, William Torch. YouTube.com/William Torch. You get 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's starting, you know, yeah, man. Oh my god. I don't like this map. My 2 seconds walk. I like more when I'm a bookshelf. Like that, I won't get found. There's a bunch of hiding place for bookshelf. And not for me. Okay, so, oh, this is a good hiding spot if you can go up there. Oh, damn it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go and get stuck right here. Yay. Yeah. Yay. Oh, yes. Oh, participant player of age. Mm. Um, I'm a block. I'm a freaking block. I'm a freaking block. Can I say name tag? I don't have Optifine though. Oh come on! Oh yay! Yay! I got my knockback sword. Whoa. Okay, so yay! Yes, the two game. I don't even know. I'm not gonna know. I can jump. Oh my god! I see Johnny. Johnny, what are you doing? Boom! Boom! Yo, get out of here! Get out of here, Johnny! No! Don't! Oh, come on! Yeah. Mm, mm. Damn it. Damn it. Hey, dude. Okay. Okay, so tactic going water. Good jump. Jump on the angle. See where? No, right there. Okay, so for the seconds. 100. Check on 10. Oh my god, did someone just hit me? Yes, I see you, blood. Why can't we not have a bow? Oh, come on, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. No, come on. I freaking blocked. Oh my god, lag. Alright, no, 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 no. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, there. Oh, you wanna fight? Yeah, yo, get a fight. Come back here. Yo, go. Yeah. Alright, come on. Go get. You'll never get out of there. No, no. No, lag, no, come on. Kill the dude, kill the dude. Go, come on, Snake. Snake, help me. Come on. Come on, I wanna kill it. I wanna kill it. Well, why can't I not kill it? I can't. Come on. Good, good, good. You got it. You got it. Oh, come on. No, 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 no. Listen. Why can you not boost each other? Oh, no, no. He's there. He's there. I see him. I see him. You're not gonna escape it. Yes, did I? Oh, yeah, GG. Yes. Right. Oh, wait, did. Come on. Yeah, I'll see you after recording. Oh my god, dude. I stop between. Alright. Alright, yeah. I choose what I want to record. Well, guys, I will see you in guys, I'm gonna see you and when it's gonna be, there's gonna be enough players in. Yeah, dude. Hey, Game King. Hey, Game King. That's right. And Forge. Wait, he's gone. Oh, come on. Well, let me see. Let me check game. Oh, something. Eat your slime ball. Why? I didn't want to eat my son. Oh, please eat. Eat it. Oh my god. Eat. No, come on. Wait, Jake. Eat your slime ball. Class V4. Yay! Yes! Yay! 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 Look. I put some video. And okay now. I'm not good at bad words. I gotta admit, I'm not good at bad words. But come on. Open the fence gate, go over here, and yes, yo, run. I'm a freaking anvil. I'm a freaking anvil. He's coming to find me. Why? I don't want to find me. So I'm just gonna. Wrong. Why? Why? Come on, please. Do not let not disturb me. Not. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, I got this hiding spot. I got a beard. Hey guys, look, I have a beard. Oh, yeah, sure. This is. Oh my god, I'm getting hiding spot. I can't see. Please stop. Please. Oh my god, I'm blind. No, no. Why did I get out? I keep stationing my car. Oh damn it, please. No, no, no. Just let me get out. Help, help, help. Don't, stop. Damn it, damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. What? Okay, so one trick is that you can hit every like sort of just hit every hay bale that's up there. She might be real, maybe not. Oh, but it, I don't know that good at being a seeker. So the apparently I think they fix it too. There's a button you can outside the map. One hour I didn't know what to do. Maybe I could have think the shops the seekers. I don't really know this map really well though. I'm a noob. I'm a freaking noob. So 1 minute 30, it's enough for my recording. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because I really what I really enjoy is if you did please give a like, and if you want you can subscribe whenever you want. Really we hope you liked it. Lag! Why? Why? Here, look, I can rebot it. And remember, you have a really good computer, not like our laptop. Well, it's my gonna work better. Really, I'm really sorry for the lag. This is not the best thing. For the lag, I'm really sorry. Hope you guys still enjoyed it with the lag. God. Oh no! No! Come on! Oh, we're gonna lose. Oh, sad face. No! Okay. Well, I'm just sad, really. Oh, yeah.